Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance 3 and today I'm going to show you how to install applications on this watch. So let's get started. So if you want to install applications on your Balance 3 watch, first you will need to pair it with a phone. So pair the devices together with the ZEP application or via the ZEP application, and once the devices are paired together, you can open the ZEP application on the phone that is paired with your watch, tap on device, and here you should see your Balance 3 on the device page. And under the picture of the watch you will see the App Store right here. Tap on the icon to open the App Store, and here you can scroll through the list of applications, look for something you want to install, and once you find the application you want to install, you can simply tap on it and then tap on the install button. So let's find something, I don't know, maybe counter. Then we can tap on install. It will start downloading and installing, and after it's done, you will probably need to allow some permissions, and then after it's installed, it should appear in the menu. So if you open the menu and scroll down, the icon should appear, and here we have our app, and you can use it now. Okay. You can of course install multiple applications, and at some point you probably will run out of from space for them, and you can tap on mine right here in the store, and here you have the list of applications that are installed on your watch. You can tap on more, and if you need to free up some space, you can tap on pen icon, select the app you want to remove, and then tap on delete and OK, and then you can install more applications if you want to. Okay, and that's how you install applications on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.